Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Google Chat on desktop or the app. First, identify if this is a direct message or a room because your options differ. Once located, hover or tap the conversation to reveal controls. On desktop, look for the three-dot menu. On mobile, tap the conversation, then the top right menu. Make sure you know whether you need to leave, archive, or delete. That choice determines the next steps. Start with the menu to expose those options now. Now act on the option that matches your goal. If it's a room, select Leave to stop receiving messages and remove it from your list. Leaving doesn't delete others' copies. To hide a chat without removing history, choose Archive. It's reversible. To remove your own message, open the thread, find the message, use the message menu, and pick Delete if available. Note some admins restrict deletion. Once done, confirm prompts and check that the conversation state reflects your choice. Finish by verifying the outcome. The chat should be gone, archived, or show you've left. If deletion or message removal fails, make sure retention or admin policies aren't blocking it. Contact your admin if needed. If the UI still shows the conversation, clear the app cache or sign out and back in to force a sync. As a quick troubleshooting tip, try the web version at chat. Google.com to confirm whether the issue is device-specific before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.